Hello PLC community! Andito na naman po si Sol from Pacific Lane College. At narito po tayo ngayon para mag-interview ng students na finally na visa approved na at konting araw na lang ay aalis na rin dito sa Philippines. So siya po ay walang iba kundi si Julian. So yun, meron lang akong mga sets of questions dito para sa iyo Julian at para at least mabigyan natin ng konting advice yung mga students natin na gusto rin na mag-aral sa Canada. So, unang-unang question natin is, ano bang nararamdaman mo ngayon na finally visa approved ka na?
I feel very happy and motivated to get on with this venture because it's a new experience for me and I was really doubting it. Like, I'm scared na baka di ako matanggap. But, ayun, dito na tayo and it's really nakagando.
Yun. So, di ba, happy rin kami para sa inyo na na-approve yung visa nyo. And next question natin para dyan is, ano naman yung mga preparations mo para sa upcoming departure mo?
Nag-prepare ako ng mga papers, yun, and like, I had to talk to my parents and family for this big venture of mine because it's a big step forward beyond outside your comfort zone.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
And next question is, why did you choose Canada? Ano bang meron si Canada?
First of all, it's a first world country.
Yeah.
Being able to study there to me is a huge privilege.
Okay. For the fourth questions naman is, ano naman yung mga kinonsider mo before pursuing this program in Canada?
I thought of enrolling in a flying school. Pero naisip ko na, that can wait naman. Pwede naman after a few years ko na, and unahin ko na muna it's a bigger opportunity for me to be able to study here.
Okay. So next question naman is, what can you say about PLC, yung mga services na in-offer nila all throughout your journey?
They were very responsive and smooth in handling yung application namin. Tuloy-tuloy lang.
So wala talagang hassle.
Yeah, no hassle.
Okay. So for the last question naman, what advice can you give to those aspiring students that also want to study abroad?
Just stay committed to whatever challenge, task you have to face because there will always be bumps. But if you stay committed to your goal, you'll get there. One way or another.
So yun, sabi nga ni Julian, marami tayong bumps na kakaharapin sa mga journey na tatahakin natin. So, happy kami na konting kembot na lang talaga at mapapapunta na kayo sa Canada. So, good luck sa new venture na yung tatahakin and we hope for your success. Okay, thank you so much!